What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. So today it's not going to be like a massive video. Apologies if I look rough, I'm pretty much just woken up. But yeah, it's just going to be a video basically on how much it was to insure me on the M135i. I'm pretty young, I'm 21 years old, and a lot of you might be thinking, well, surely you should be able to insure an M135 by then. But there's a few factors that are personal to me that made it higher than it should be, and also I just want to explain how much it was previously, because yeah, the reason I didn't get an M135 at a younger age is because of how much it was back then. But yeah, if you are new around here, guys, please smash the subscribe button and smash a like on this video if you do enjoy. And yeah, big thank you for the support once again. Videos still smashing it out, so yeah, just absolutely chuffed to bits, and keep doing it please, guys, because yeah, it really feels worth it at the moment. So yeah, without further ado, guys, let's just get straight into this video. Oh, let's open the roof. There we are. Makes a massive difference to the lighting. I forgot about that. I almost forget it's there sometimes, but yeah, it is really nice to have. But yeah, so I think the first question really, guys, is why didn't I get an M135 at a younger age? And that is not because I couldn't really afford it so much, it's just because the insurance was absolutely stupid. I'm not sure what sort of quotes you guys have been getting, but at the age of at the age of 17, yeah, you wouldn't expect me able to get a car of this caliber anyway, but it was coming out at like 9 grand at that age, so obviously that's a no-brainer. I think within the next 2 years then it sort of went down to around 4 grand, which is obviously still pretty stupid, and it's really just not worth it. And I've actually seen a lot of people say they've paid like 3 to 4 grand on insurance now, and they're like older than me, so this could be sort of based on age and what you're putting into your insurance, but I'm going to try and give my best tips on how you can make it a bit more affordable, if that makes sense. This year I actually paid £1,900 for my insurance. I'm 21 and I believe I only have 3 years no claims because I have had to cancel my insurance policy twice in order to get the car that I want at the time. So the first time this happened was when I had, what did I have? I had a BMW 120d and I wanted to change to a Polo GTI, that was it, and they actually made me cancel my insurance because they just said they didn't insure that type of car. So the Polo must have been a higher spec car than the 120d, and yeah, my insurance, I was actually with Think Insurance, and they told me that I just couldn't switch to that car, that I'd have to either wait, which was like a stupid amount of time, you know, it's like not far off a year, because I did want to change my car. Well, within a few months of having the 120d, I wanted to change it because there was issues with it. So yeah, they actually told me you can't insure that car, so I then had to cancel that insurance policy. And then the same thing happened with this. So from my Renault 172 Cup, I wanted to switch with Hastings to the M135. They then said to me, you can't do that. So I cancelled my policy to try and insure with someone else. And guess who came up as the cheapest quote again? Hastings. So I literally cancelled with Hastings to go back with Hastings, which felt like an absolute joke. But yeah, gotta do what you gotta do. So I have 3 years no claims, which actually, you know, isn't that much considering I passed my test when I was 17 and I'm actually, you know, 21, almost 22 now. So I should have, I think, 2 more years. If that's it, yeah, I think 2 more years. So I should have 5 years no claims, which is a bit of a shame. So that's one factor that's actually making my insurance more expensive. The other factor is then that I got 2 speeding tickets, and a lot of you be thinking, oh, we're a stupid young immature driver. It wasn't actually like that. I got caught on the same road on the same camera twice in 1 week, and it was quite unfortunate because I thought the road was a 40 and the road was actually a 30, and I actually didn't even know the camera was there, which was just absolutely devastating, obviously, when I had them through the post. But yeah, so I got caught doing like 36 on that road, and it was actually a 30 road when I thought it was a 40. I got caught twice in the same week, and unfortunately that means I get, well, I had one speeding ticket because I could actually take the speed awareness course, which I did. And then after doing that, obviously I got the other one. So that was quite sad. So I have got 3 points. So I got 3 points, 3 years no claims, and I am 21. So yeah, a lot of you might be thinking, wow, you're paying nearly £2,000 for insurance. A lot of you might be thinking, how is it so cheap considering you have points and also, you know, only 3 years no claims. So what I did this year was, a massive saver for me was, I've always had my mum as a named driver on my car, because she does actually drive my car now and again. And then the other thing that I did this year was I put my nan as a named driver on the car, and alongside my mum, that brought my insurance down by 700 quid, just because I put my nan on alongside my mum on my insurance. And a lot of you might be, you know, trying your dad, or you might have your mum on there and then you might try your dad or whatever. I put my dad on there and it actually went up. But then when I put my nan on there, it went down by like 700 quid. So that could be a big help to all of you out there. Try different named drivers, because it can actually make a huge difference. So depending on who you're putting on there, obviously how many no claims they got and stuff like that. But insurance is such a weird one. There's so many little factors that you can try. It's just all completely based on those little things, like what area you live in, what you do as a job is actually quite a big one. If you put that you actually keep your car in a garage overnight, a lot of you probably heard this one, that can actually cause your insurance to go up, because there's more risk of it being in an accident if your house catches on fire. The way insurance, it's almost like an algorithm. It's literally not based, you know, at all on personal quote. It's just an algorithm, and if you can find little ways in that algorithm to bring it down, then it's worth it, obviously legally. But there are little things that, you know, little ways around it legally that you can do. Like I just said, putting my nan as a named driver on my car, you know, that's completely legal. Anyone can do that. So yeah, I'd actually like to know, guys, what are you paying for your insurance, whether you got an M140, an M135, BM M2, whatever you got. Comment down below how old you are, what you're paying for insurance, and comment any little ways that helped you legally to get it down, because I'd love to know, and I'm sure a lot of people out there would love to know as well, because there's so many people that are, you know, not getting the car they want because of how expensive insurance is these days, which is just such a shame. Obviously insurance is important, but why is it that much money? So yeah, would love to know that, guys. And yeah, let me know what you think of my price as well. So do you think £1,900 with 3 points and 3 years no claims at the age of 21 is good or bad? So comment that down below as well. But yeah, thanks for watching this video, guys. Like I said, just you know, pretty nice and short and sharp video. But yeah, it's an interesting topic for a lot of people with this type of car, because it is a high insurance group. So yeah, I'll thank you all for watching, guys. Please smash the subscribe button if you did enjoy. I'll see you all in the next one.